Yes class, coming back to lab number 13, part 2 video. So I am continuing from where I have left in video 1. In first page.java I have loaded this add custom file, and this is my add custom.fxml page. Now just for practice I am taking another label that is for gender, and I am taking two radio button, first for male and second for female. Now I will clicking on radio button, and then in a code window I will have so not in code window, we have this in properties, that is we have toggle group. So let's suppose I am, by clicking on male I go to the properties window, then I will have any toggle group name, let's suppose gender. Then clicking on female I will also go to properties, and then clicking on female and going to properties I will have this toggle group option. Then I will type as gender, same as what I have written on for male toggle group. Now I am just save this file. Now coming back to Eclipse, I am running. Yes class, I am executing after adding radio button. So by typing admin and oo as a password, I am clicking on login button. I have this page. Now you can see how this radio button work with adding toggle group. Again we don't have any define any functionality for this add customer button, so I am closing this. Now for defining the functionality we have to add another fxml file, which is a third window where our information will be passed, which we will type. So let's suppose I have given show details. So this is my third .fxml file. Now again by opening it with scene builder, this is again empty. Then I will add an button. Now the same label which we have added in our add customer page, we have to include it again where our information will be passed. Next is for father name, then there will be an address tab, then there will be phone number, then there will be email. So now again we have to add 5 labels in add custom.fxml page. We have added 5 text field. Now here we will add 5 labels and then set their IDs. Let's suppose N2. Now we will remove this text. Now second label, removing this text and adding ID FN2, then adding third label for address, removing this text and setting ID as add2, then again going to add fourth label, removing its text and setting ID as PN2, then adding again label, and adding an ID as EM2. Let's suppose just I am an button, or you can also remove this, as you have already know how to add a functionality to a button. Now here I am giving a heading, these are the customer details, so it will print and it will take our data from add customer page. Now I am saving this. So coming back to Eclipse, we also have to add another .java file. So clicking on our package, new, and then a class. Let's suppose its name is show. See, that is for show customer details. I am named as show C. So this is our class. Now this show C class will link to our show details.fxml file, and what we have to do, coming back to lab 13,